I think we can start. Hey, good evening, everyone, and we are good to start.
Yeah, hello, good evening.
So, good evening. Hi, Atin. Hi, Sukhbir. Hi, Sandy. Hi, Aishwarya.
Hi, Vishal.
Hi, Vishal.
It's
How
all
are
good.
you?
Hello.
Yeah.
I'm doing good. How are you? Great. So, team, today is going to be a very, very interesting day for us, and I'll be requiring one volunteer. Okay. A quick question to you. Have you ever wondered, like, whenever you go to internet, right? Someone might be tracking you. Yes or no? What you feel? Or no? Once you log into internet, nobody can track you. What do you think? Do you think somebody
May
can track you or whenever you go to
it's
internet?
maybe may not be, but I think it's maybe or
Okay,
may not be.
okay, fantastic. Maybe, may not be. Okay. Others,
Mm.
what do you think? Shazi, what Aishwarya, Sandy, what do you think?
I
Definitely.
think yes.
Yeah, definitely
I
possible.
okay, which means that every time we log in, probably there is a chance that someone might be looking into us, right? Somebody might be checking in, but not every time. Okay. So if you remember on the day
Yeah,
one,
yes.
what I did was I gave you a QR code, and when you scan the QR code, I got your IP address, right?
Mhm.
Which means one thing is sure that every time you log into internet, you will have an IP address, right or wrong?
Right.
Yes.
And most of the time, that IP address becomes your identity. Okay. So think like those that if I want to identify that who it is, there is a chance that I can get hold of the IP address and get to know that, okay, this is Atin's IP address, this is Ashwarya's IP address, right? So that also means that even the hackers know that whenever they log in, their IP addresses can be identified. Agreed or not? Guys, what do you think?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, absolutely.
So hackers would find different ways to ensure that they become anonymous or hide their IP address, right or wrong?
Yes, they
Yeah.
can do that.
Which means,
Yes.
which means if I know the rules, I can break the rules. And if my IP address is not visible, I can become anonymous. So today we are going to get started with how to be anonymous, and I'm going to teach you the ways which hackers would use to be anonymous. Okay, so that also means that not every IP address which has been shared might be of the user. So many times in the movies also you might have seen that they get to know that, okay, I have got this IP address, but that IP address belongs to a cyber cafe or maybe somebody else. So I'm going to show you that how you can become anonymous, and you can also get to know that how can you change your position. As in, if you are in Canada, I can take you to India or maybe Japan or Tokyo or probably to Singapore. Okay, so all set. I need one volunteer who can share the screen, and for this we'll be using Windows machine. Okay, so I want you to use it on your host machine or maybe guest machine is also fine. So I want one of you to share your screen to get started, and who would
Vishal, I
be?
have a quick question for you.
Yeah, yeah, Atin,
Yes,
please go ahead.
yes. Because I have noticed that those who are scammer or fraud, those who are involved in fraudulent activity, they
Hmm.
most of the time use VoIP number. That is not the exact phone number. There is that true or something?
Yes, it's true.
They are try to
So
hide their phone number.
they will try to hide their phone number, they will try to
Yeah.
hide their IP address.
Yes.
So they don't call from phone, they call from an IP number, which
Yeah.
means the
That's right.
IP is not traceable. So even if you trace an IP, probably he might be sitting somewhere else.
Yes.
So
Yes.
that's
Absolutely.
so when you want to safeguard yourself, you should know that how they become anonymous, right? So that also means that you have to learn the tricks first, right?
And also, I
Let's
have
start.
noticed also they are. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, yeah,
What
please go
saying
ahead.
that? Yeah. What I'm saying that I have also noticed that if ask their which country and what is or her address or office address, they are giving a
Right.
false information.
So they will always give that, right? That's the because they are scammers, right? They would not give or share their real identities.
Yeah.
In fact, if they give the real identity as well, probably that is wrong because they will make you believe that they are giving you real identity, but it isn't.
Yeah.
So if you see, especially when the scammers calls you, there will be a sense of urgency. So they will call you that, hey, please click on the link, or please try to connect with this, or please try to do this. And they will push you
Yeah.
and they will call you multiple times, which means create an urgent or a sense of urgency. Okay.
Yes.
Great. So team, I want a volunteer who can share the screen. Maybe Archit or Aishwarya, if you're okay, or Shezab, if you are okay. Please share your screen and I'm going to take you step by step that how to be anonymous. Or Sukhbir, if you're okay, you can also share your screen. Guys, anyone sharing? Or I'll allow as well. I have allowed it. Yeah. Yep. I have
In
allowed participant to share the screen.
I'll share my screen now.
Fantastic, Aishwarya. So team, interestingly, I have a quick question. How many of you still are scared to share your screen and you feel that if we download something, our system will go down? So do we have anyone here who feel the same way? Okay, great. So team, I'm going to share you step by step and please follow. And in case if you're facing any issues, it's let me know. Okay. So first open up a browser. We'll dive more into IP addresses when we dive into networking, but I'm just going to share you that how hackers will try to manipulate. Okay, so I'm just sharing you something very, very interesting.
It's kind of super slow. I don't know why.
Okay, I thought it got scared of me.
No, no.
No. Okay, great. So first thing what we have to type is my IP address or what's my IP. Type what's my IP. That's okay. No problem. You can type what's my IP. Then enter. It's done. It's done.
Oh, okay. I don't know. It's super slow, so I'm
Yeah, that's okay.
just
No
a
need to worry.
second.
See,
Yeah.
that's a learning because you will come across similar system, right? So you have to have a
Yeah.
patience here. See, this is the first website, whatismyipaddress.com, and once you click onto it, it will show you your public address. Please note that I'll jump into public address and private address once we are into networking, but this is just to get started, okay? Just giving you a heads up that how things are. Okay, so see, Ashwarya has logged in from Vancouver and she's using TELUS communication and her IP address is 205.250.77.229. Okay. So friend, I want you to quickly type in your IP address in the chat box and let me know what is your IP address. I'll give you 30 seconds for that.
Is this a test?
No, no, no. This is just learning. Okay. But that always be alert. Yeah. Okay, fantastic. You can click on wait.
Vishal, I have a quick question for you.
Yeah, please go ahead. Yeah, Tim, please go ahead. So you can click on allow. Fantastic. So Shazib, congratulations. Thanks for sharing the IP, but I can see rest of them are not. Sukhbir, others, Sandy, so others, guys, you're sharing your IP. M1, Sudarshan, Archit, Josh. Josh, you can also share your IP address so that we can hack you.
No.
You're scared, right? Okay, nice. Okay, good, very good. So, Sukhbir, you can see here that in some case you will get IPv4 and IPv6. So, both are different versions of the IP. We'll be discussing this also during the networking session, but very good. Thank you. Okay, great. So, team, what you can always see that once you have this IP address, hackers or attackers can get this IP address and try to get more information. So, Ashwarya, you can see that there is an option called Show Complete IP Details. So, just click on that. Wait. And okay, you don't have Chrome here? That would be faster. You can click on Show Complete IP Details. M1, Sandy, I hope you were able to, Archit, you were able to access the IP address. Please, yes, in the chat box. Hey, hi, Gaurav.
Hi, Vishal.
So we have just asked team to open up the browser, type what's my IP address, and they got to the website. Okay, so we are learning about how to be anonymous.
Oh, okay. I'm actually out, but I'll be a silent listener today.
Okay, fantastic.
Thank you.
So you are already enjoying Friday evening.
No, this was something unexpected.
Okay, nice, nice, no worries. Aishwarya, you have to do magic. Like, see, you have to speak my name 3 times. This will get running. Okay,
Yeah.
we'll
Okay.
fix this. Okay.
Yeah. So the thing is, like, I'm using Mac and I wasn't able to use the Windows 10. So I was just wondering if that's the issue, why my system is slow.
No, so
Is
you can do
there a
one thing. You can
reason
come back
related to
to
it, or because
Mac. Minimize this and come back to your Mac.
okay.
So you are using
Just a
Parallels or
second.
what you are using? Parallels you are using?
Yeah, yeah, parallels, yeah.
But in this case, it shouldn't be so slow. I'll check. No worries. But because if you are running
Okay.
Mac, it should be like smooth.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, like for some reason it's not coming up. Even like this screen is not working as well. So
That's why minimize this whole thing.
except this, nothing is working.
Yeah, yeah, okay, no problem.
Okay.
So you can see that there will be an F3 key.
Is-
You can press it, yeah. You can shut down and come back to Mac. Or you can just three
Okay.
swipe, come to Mac. Yeah, that will be there.
Just, yeah.
Vishal, I have a quick question for you.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, please, go ahead.
Yeah, I got IPv4 and IPv6. Which one you are
Right.
talking about? Yes.
IPv4.
And what is the other IPv6?
I'll be covering in the networking session. So we have just started. So
Oh,
we'll once we go into the networking session, I'll explain you. You can
okay,
consider it as your digital identity. Whenever
okay,
anyone logs in or connects to internet, they will give an IP address. It's just like a postal address or a pin code, right? We have
okay.
a
So
pin
the
code.
so the first one IPv4 is that my and that is unique address. It's not with
Yes,
anybody
yes, yes.
else. Okay, okay.
So,
Thank you.
I'm just trying to open the Chrome and see if that's working.
Aishwarya, you can use Mac
Like,
if
because
you
it
have
was
Mac.
yeah, okay.
Okay, no problem. Guys, anyone who has a faster computer, because this will take a bit of time. Okay, yes, you can shut down this because we'll require one Windows.
Okay. Oh, okay, okay. Just a second.
Or if you can give me the access, I can try something.
Okay. I'm just trying to shut down from here.
Okay. Super, very good. So you're using parallels.
Yeah.
Let's see. So this is a common parallels thing.
Hmm. I have a Windows machine as well, but like, yeah, that's an old machine. That will be even more slow. So that's why I chose Mac instead of
No, no, that's it.
Windows for the entire course.
Mac is perfect for us.
Yeah.
Probably some settings will be
Yeah.
tweaked and should run up. Usually it isn't slow. So
Okay.
what you can do now, you can just, yes, quit the parallels. Yes.
Okay.
Right click, quit. Perfect.
Oh,
You can
I'm so
close
sorry.
that. Nice. So you are like
Okay.
part of my team only. Who love movies, right? Movie fan.
Yeah. I love series. Yeah.
Fantastic. So I guess this is some interesting series. It's like some suspense thriller. Okay, great.
No, the one that I'm watching, it's totally different. It's about doctor and all those things.
So see, guys, so for weekends and when you want some great tips, Aishwarya is there. Aishwarya is our go-to person, right? Okay,
Yeah.
super.
Yeah, sure. I can give. Yeah.
So see, interestingly, you
Yeah.
should also know that especially as a hacker, we would want to understand your interest, right? So now if I want to attack you, what I can do is, hey, Aishwarya, we have great series coming in and here's a link. And since you are so excited with the series, you are going to actually click on the link to get to understand that what it is, right? Okay. So team, you can see here
Yeah.
that the details for the
Maybe
IP
I
addresses
don't
are,
know. Maybe I'll give it a try. Yeah.
now I know how to hack you. So we have Vancouver, British. So you will also get this, which also means that as a hacker, I can also get this information, right? Okay, so that's there. So there is another website called iptracker.com. Just type in, open up a tab
Okay.
and type IP tracker.
Okay. Sorry.
So now what we are going to do, we are going to use IP tracker and we will use enter Shazib's IP address to identify what it is. You can put any one
This
of them.
one, right? IP track.
Anyone. Anyone will work.
Okay.
And copy Shazib's IP address. I'll tell you.
Okay.
170. So it is, you have to put it on the top. Enter IPv4. That's the IP. Yeah. On the first
Here.
one. Yes. Remove everything
Okay.
and type
Okay.
173
173
dot 35
35.
dot
Yeah.
79
79
dot 146.
146.
Lookup IP.
Yeah. Yeah. It's
And
from Kitchener.
right. So this is how we can also check in the same thing. Okay. That's how we are going to get started. Meanwhile, team, anyone else who is available for sharing the screen because Aishwarya's system is a bit slow today.
I can do it.
Yeah, perfect. So Aishwarya, if you can stop sharing and follow this. So what we'll do is like just before
Yeah.
ending
Sure.
the session, I'll take up your system and check in like why the system is slow. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure. Thank you.
So team, please note that especially when you are on internet, you will be sharing your footprints. And as an attacker, the best way is to hide my footprints. Okay, so I'm going to do that. Okay, great. So I have got your IP address and it shows some Cambridge, Ontario region and Rogers it is. Okay. So
Yep.
next thing, yes. So next thing what we can see here is go to your Windows icon, click on Windows icon,
Mhm.
run, type run, enter. Okay.
And then
Yeah.
open what? ncpa.cpl?
No, no, not that is not required. We will be using CMD. We cannot see the
Oh,
screen. Yes. Run prompt. Okay, perfect.
oh yeah, yeah. Here.
And type ipconfig. Okay, great. So wireless one will be your IP address. Wireless LAN adapter.
Where am I?
You have to scroll down a bit. No, no, scroll down. See, wireless LAN Wi-Fi. Okay.
Ah, yeah.
So if you see here, now it is IPv4 is showing something 10.0.0.6, right?
Hmm.
Right, guys? Yes, no?
Yeah.
Okay, just a minute. Guys, just a minute. I think someone is trying to enter in the room. Let me allow. Nobody is trying to join in, but I think okay, great. So team, you can see. Okay, guys, just a minute. One of participant is trying to join in and is unable to join. So let me share the link to him. So team, a quick question. By the time you can see here, can someone tell me that when we checked what's my IP address, right? It was a different IP address, but when I did via CMD, it is showing me a different IP address. Any idea that why this is different? Anyone? Or what do you think? Why it is different?
Is one the public and one the private?
Absolutely, that's the right answer. So friends, we will be diving more into public and private IP address. So now you just have to currently know that we have a public IP address when we check by my IP address. And once we check via CMD, we will get this IP address. Okay. So now type ipconfig space slash all. Enter. Okay. So team, I hope everyone is able to follow that. I'll also type the command for you. Ipconfig space slash all. It's a very, very basic command which you have to type. I am sharing it in the chat for you as well. So a quick question. What difference you find between ipconfig and ipconfig all? Just have a look at it and do you find any difference here?
Yes. It's giving a lot more information, like your subnet mask, your DHCP, um, tons of stuff, actually. The lease
Fantastic,
obtained.
fantastic. Okay, lovely. Which means that there are some certain more informations are available. Okay. So friends, remember one thing that especially when you connect to internet, right? For internet, you will require a LAN card or a network card. Okay. We also call it as network interface card or NIC card. Okay. NIC. So every NIC has a unique MAC address, which is like a burned in address or an hardware ID for it. So if you see there is a physical address, please check, right? So this particular address will be unique in nature. So every computer which connects to internet or into a network, they will have a unique address, which is your MAC ID, EAF5. So everyone would have this different. Guys, can you confirm that everyone has a different, right or wrong? Just have a look at it. Fantastic. So guys, please have a look. So these addresses also get tagged to your public IP address, and people can get to know that what is your MAC address. So especially if I want to track someone, I can track via their MAC address, just like an IMEI number on your phone. This is your physical address, which is identifiable. So ideally, as the first step, what we are going to do, we are going to change our MAC address. Please note that in some countries, changing the MAC address is illegal. But attackers would want that because they don't want to get caught. Okay. So I'm going to show you that how you can change your MAC address. Again, this is for learning purpose. So that's very, very simple what we are going to do. Okay. So currently, if you see, it starts with EAFI31. Okay, this is how it started. Okay, and we will change it. So open up a new tab and type TMAC, 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 enter. And the first link, technetium.com. Team, I'm also sharing you the link for you as well. You can use that. So there's a small utility which will be there, which you can go ahead and download now. Yes. So team, I have shared the link, technetium.com/tmac. So same link which Shazib has downloaded.
And Gaurav for,
Yeah.
Vishal for Windows, what way we want to type? That is for Mac computer, right? But for
No,
Windows?
no. This is for Windows only. Mac is your MAC address, not Mac,
Oh, oh,
which
I
is
see.
your burnt-in address. This will be
Oh,
a unique number for every computer, LAN
oh,
number.
so
Yes.
I in the Google I will type PMac
TMAC. I have given you the link as
or
well.
T. Okay, okay.
I have shared the link. Yes. So
Mm.
just go ahead and install it. Technetium.com/tmac. Team, it's a very, very small tool. You can see here that it won't take much time, and simply type in and run as administrator.
Oh, run as admin. Okay, hold on.
Yes. So all tools which will be running as an admin user. Team, I'll give you 2 minutes to download this, or maybe 5 minutes. Download now. Okay, perfect. So on the top, if you scroll down one by one, you will find the list as well. See, Wi-Fi on the top. Yes, just look at, see the last one.
Yeah,
See, it's showing up and operational, right?
yeah.
Okay. And it's the same one, right? EA. So guys, in your case also, please try to look forward the MAC address. The link status will be up and operational, okay, which means that is the current one. So what we are going to do, if you see the screen properly, it will show you original MAC address and active MAC address. So especially when we are changing the MAC address, your internet might go down for a few seconds, but don't worry. In case if you log out as well, you can come back and join again, but there is a chance that you might get disconnected. Okay. So now on this page, you will get a random MAC address option. See at the bottom, random MAC address. Yes. Click on that. So you can see that it has generated a MAC address for some other country. Okay. And you
Copenhagen.
just, You can select from the drop down. So there will be any country you can select. Denmark, Juniper, Apple. You can select any one you want.
Sure. Here we go.
And click on change now. So team, once you hit on change now, you might be disconnected, but that's okay. Or sometimes it might be, yes, so he's back. Great. So, Shazib, you could listen to us for 3 seconds or 2 seconds, or it went off.
It disappeared for a bit. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, fantastic. So now you can see your original MAC address and your active MAC address, both are different. Can you please check, guys? It's different, right? Active MAC address.
So, Vishal, if I check on my command prompt now, if I do ipconfig, is it going to show me the active MAC address now, or will it still show me the original?
Absolutely, because we have learned that zero trust, right? So even if
Yeah.
this tool has changed, I will go back to my command line and again type ipconfig space slash all and verify that whether it is showing me my original MAC ID or the new MAC ID.
Wow. Yeah, it changed it.
Right? Which means, guys, congratulations, you have crossed the first level. You
That's
are
nuts.
now anonymous, level one. Okay, we have lot many tools which are coming in, but what do you think now? See, I have just helped you to change the MAC address. Guys, interesting? Yes, no? Can we have yes, no in the chat box? And please let me know if you were able to do that. So a hacker will always have multiple layers of protection to safeguard themselves, right? Lovely. So I guess in our session only Shazim is the one who's feeling excited. What about others? Archit and team, what do you think? Hey,
Mm,
Mamadi, welcome back. Sandy, Sudarshan, Sukhbir, I hope you are able to do this. Guys, this is just fun, okay? Trust me. There's lot many things. And today is our third session, which is a free session, but I'm going to give you something which will keep you busy for the weekends, right? I am going to give you very interesting stuff which you can explore, right? So again, it's very simple that if you want to revert back, please come to TMAC application, TMAC application, just back to the
Oh,
application. And you can see that there's the restore original.
yeah.
So if you click on that, please, and same thing will happen. The voice will disappear for a while and then it will come back again. See? Okay.
It, can you hear me, Vishal?
Yes, I can.
It told me it failed to switch it back.
No problem. So once you restart, it will be done. Okay, no worries.
Mm,
Okay.
okay.
So guys, again, you can see that we have already, and in the top also, you can see that it has changed, right? Okay,
Yeah.
super. So let's go to the next one. Okay. So now we are going to the second one. I hope you remember what was your my IP address, right? It started with 173.
Yeah, here.
Okay. So open up a new tab and download a browser called Tor browser. Tor. Yes. So friends, this browser is called the Onion Router browser. And you can see that especially when you have an onion, it has multiple layers. So similarly, this browser is something which will help us to change the IP address or modify the IP address. Okay. So that's what we will be having in. Great. So you can download.
It's installing now.
Yeah, no problem. So the Onion Router browser. Okay. So that's what we have. So Aishwarya, very interesting stuff for you. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So, team, I am going to share few of the series which you can watch. So, there is a series called Mr. Robot. Okay, Mr. Robot. And this shows you that how hackers work in real life. Okay, so I would want you to have a look at to this particular series. Okay, so coming back to Tor browser ensure that many times attackers can attack you and they can get your IP address. So Tor browser is built on Firefox and it will block the trackers, fingerprints, and all the information which are leaked by default, right? So if you see here, there is an option called always connect automatically. So check that. There's a yes. Okay, and click on connect. So now it will connect your network. So ideally, Tor browser helps us in identifying or hiding our IP address. It will bypass. So many times you might see that there are certain websites which are not allowed in your country. But if you use a Tor browser, you can always go ahead. Okay. So just type my IP address or what's my IP. Enter. Congratulations. Click on that. So Shazib, where are you now?
Somewhere else. In Amsterdam,
So
in the
guys,
Netherlands.
congratulations. This is a training session where I'm also helping you to travel the world. Okay, so you can click on OK. Yes. Guys, so how do you feel now? See, it's showing Amsterdam. So it will be different for you as well. So just go back again.
Like here?
Just yes. And see, in the area, you will find Netherlands. See, protected and right side Netherlands. So check that. Protected, yes. Click on that, toggle it, and change the country. Maybe Austria. And try checking in what is my IP address. Which also means that this will try to, okay, so this did not change, but this will help you to change countries as well.
Hmm.
Okay. I guess there is some coming in. That's the reason you are,
Oh,
no problem. The interesting part is that every time you log out or if you disconnect, it will show you. Okay. So on the address bar, there is on the go to the right side on the address bar. See, there is yes, top right side. Just give
here.
me a just give me an access. I'll help you out. Yep. So see this one.
Hmm.
Just click on that. Restart our browser. What you can do is allow next time. What's my IP? What's my IP? So now it has taken you to Sweden. I see. Yes.
It's a different city in the Netherlands,
Yes.
actually.
Right. Same region but different city. Okay.
Yeah.
So you can see that it is changing, and primarily you are currently sitting in Canada, but it shows that you have logged in from Netherlands. So just imagine, guys, if you scan a QR code using Tor browser or others, it will show me your current environment or the location, right? So if you show me Holland, I will consider that Sejib is currently from Sweden, right or wrong?
Right.
So attackers uses Tor browser to attack on someone. So especially all the web attacks they do, they will use Tor browser. Okay. And again, if you see here, if I click on this, and you can see a new Tor circuit for this site. Okay, so I'll click on this as well, and you can see now what happens. So it will refresh and now change. See,
Mm.
Shazib, congratulations. Now you have been moved to Germany. Happy now? Guys, any more requests? Please let me know. I'm in a good mood today. I am going to help you in traveling the world. So that also means that whenever an attacker is traveling, you might have heard that they were using lot many IP addresses, right? They keep on changing. Yeah, so that's what it is, right? So this is the second layer for attackers to be anonymous. So how it is? So given a comparison, which one is better, TMAC or Tor browser, as per you? Team, can we have
Tor
the
browser.
answer?
They're
Tor
both
Tor
good.
browser.
browser.
Very good. Very good. Others?
Yeah, Tor
Sudarshan?
browser. Yeah.
Yeah, I got it, Atin. Yeah, fantastic. Okay, so
Okay.
Tor. Now you guys love Tor. Very good. Okay. Guys, this is just the beginning. Okay, I'm going to show you very, very interesting. So how many of you
So
have heard
Vishal,
of?
sorry,
Yeah,
sorry.
please go ahead.
So how one can identify that the hacker is using Tor browser or other application to hide themselves? How one can identify?
So ideally, only thing they can do is if they get your IP address, they will
Mhm.
use IP tracker online to get to know, and that it might show that it is a Tor exit node. That's it. They will not be able to identify that.
Oh, I mean, those who are that has a, I mean, somebody want to identify like this is hackers or this is some scammer. We cannot identify in that way, like
No,
using
no,
any
no, no,
software. Oh, okay,
no, no.
okay, okay,
That's why we say that if you are anonymous, nobody can track you.
okay, okay.
Okay, so that's something which is very, very interesting. And also, so guys, again, I'm sure many of you would have heard of dark web. Yes or no?
Yes.
Great. So guys, have you ever thought that how we can access dark web?
Sorry, how do you spell
Dark web,
DAR? Oh,
dark
DAR.
web,
Oh,
dark
dark
web.
web. Okay, okay, dark
Yes,
web.
yes,
Okay.
yes. Okay, great. So team, once we type google.com and check in, that is called as surface web. What is that called? Surface web, which is just the 4%, right? And then there is something called deep web, which is around 90%. And then there is dark web, where you will find all illegal stuff, every illegal stuff you can find. Okay, so I'm going to show you that, but again, I leave it up to you that you want to dive more into it. So in your browser, type hidden space wiki. Hidden space wiki. Yes. Shazib, it's hidden and wiki. Hidden wiki. Not space is just the space bar.
Oh, this one?
Yeah, any website you can go. So click on that. So guys, this is something where you will find very, very interesting. So just expand the page and you can see there are hidden wiki sites. See, the second one says hidden wiki. Try to click on that.
This one?
Yes. So team, if you see now, all the websites which we have here has dot onion. See the extension dot onion. Okay, and guys, if you see now, we'll not dive more into the links, but You can just scroll down and see Bitcoin mixer, UK gun and ammo.
Euro
Just see,
guns.
Oh
or
yes.
just check on the right side, fake passport and ID cards for Bitcoin. High quality USD counterfeit. Become a citizen of the USA. Hacker for hire. You will get all these here. See, rent a hacker. You will get on the right side. See, dark web hackers for hire. So you can get all illegal stuff from this website. You will get stolen accounts. You will get stolen or hacked Insta accounts with subscribers. You will get PayPal accounts. Everything you can get it here. But guys, again, this is super risky, so don't indulge into any of these. Okay, just keep on scrolling. So these are all websites which you can explore. See, there's all the website which you can explore. So if you want to have a credit card, stolen credit card, you can get it from here. If you want PayPal account, you can get it. You want Instagram account, you can get it. You want arms and ammunition, you can get it, everything. And this is available. So for everything, you have to make payment in Bitcoins or cryptocurrencies. You can just scroll up and come back again. Just back, go back. Let's try another link. Just scroll down, just scroll down. Click on any link of your choice. Guys, you can see there are drugstores, there are other commercial. So every illegal things will be available here. So whichever is your favorite, no worries. Go ahead.
Here, mobile
Yeah.
store.
Okay, so see, now that's a trap. See, when I ask you to click on that, now I know that you have a weakness for gadgets. You love gadgets, right? So if I say that, hey, buddy, Christmas is on the way and I'm going to give you iPhone at only $100, especially for this session, because this is our third and final session for the free session. So Shazib, you want iPhone 17 Pro Max 1 TB at $100, especially for today?
As long as you're buying.
I already have one, right? I have the another one which I'm giving it to you. That's so team, you can see that there are options. Again, please do not make payments here. It's a request. This is just for learning purpose. So this is, we call it as an anonymous network. People has used this and they will do all illegal stuff. So I've just shown you. So now this is something which you can use it and take it. So you can get everything of your choice. So how this is. So those who want to explore, you can look into the websites and try to get more information. So guys, how is this tool?
Very cool.
Which means that we started with TMAC first, then we added Tor browser. Fair enough?
Team.
Interesting?
Yeah.
So guys, you are enjoying? Yes, no?
Yeah. Yeah.
So do you
And
think
I
that
like.
this is,
Yeah,
yeah,
and
please.
I like to know. I like to know little bit about any desk.
I will explain that, no worries.
Okay. Okay.
AnyDesk is
That's
a remote tool which we use to take an access to your computer.
yes. Yes. Because I have some experience. Somebody getting important information, and they can use mirroring all these things that can do right or something. I was guessing. I mean.
So first thing, never give access, any desk access or team viewer access to anybody.
Yes.
Unless and
That's
until it is your IT support, only your known IT support,
okay. Okay.
not anyone. Because that means
Mhm.
that you are giving access to your computer.
Okay.
Okay,
And they
so
get anything. They get like a secured information, password, everything, pin, everything, right? I think
Right.
so.
So ideally, what happens that after
Mm-hmm.
using any desk, I can get
Mm-hmm.
an access to your system. So for
Okay.
example, if
Mm-hmm.
I have your Aadhaar, so for example, if I have your credit card details and I am making a
Right.
payment, right? So what I'll
Mm-hmm.
do is I'll generate a notification for email
Okay.
and I will
Oh,
open up your email and I'll get the OTP there.
oh yes, that's the
So
big
that is a
problem.
common scam which attackers do. Or probably in your phone also, I can take an any desk, which means that
Mm-hmm.
if an OTP arrives on your phone, I can
Yeah.
take that. So that's how the scammer uses it. Okay. Great.
So it's the scammer only use maximum like scammer use the any disk, right? We can come to a conclusion
Not
until
like this,
I
but I'll
yeah.
give you a classic example. Assuming we have a gun. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Right.
So police or the legal department can use the gun, right? That is also there.
Right. Right.
But there
Mm-hmm.
are attackers
Okay.
also. It's about perspective. What
Oh, I
perspective they
see.
have.
I see.
AnyDesk
Okay.
was
Mm-hmm.
designed for the IT team to support or help their team.
Okay.
But attackers have now find different ways to attack and get information out of that.
Oh, okay. Okay. I got that here.
So team, now let's move on to the third layer. So we have seen two layers. One was TMAC. The second one was Tor browser. Now we'll add on one more layer, which we call it as VPN. How many of you are aware of VPN? Guys, how many of you are aware of VPN?
Yep, I use
Yeah, I heard
VPNs.
that too.
So, what is that like? Anyone who would like to tell?
A virtual private network. It basically fakes your IP address. And you can ping it from somewhere else in the world.
Fantastic. Which means that I can change it from a different location, right? Which means I can travel to any other location. I'll give you a classic example. So, guys, how many of you are fan of Stranger Things?
Definitely.
Everyone, right? Almost everyone would have seen that. But those who are not aware, if I am in India, I
Mm-hmm.
might not be able to see the episode aired on US. So what people will do, they will get a US VPN and try to watch the episode early. Okay, that's again was the purpose. But in some cases, if people travel to China, they are not able to use Indian bank websites. So they will use VPN to fake their location. And now you can think of an attacker that how attacker using a VPN can fake their location. So I'm going to help you start with one of the tools or a VPN which will be available. Okay. For that, we will be going to a website called proton.me. Just type proton.me and I'm putting it in the chat as well, which you can explore. So this will ask you to create an account. Okay. So you can create a fresh account for yourself. Click on create a free account. Guys, please remember the password, whatever you are giving. Okay. And feel free to share it with me so I can misuse it. Right.
Mhm.
Yes.
So we're going to click proton.me, right? You said?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
You are.
Okay.
Thank you, brother,
Okay.
for sharing your password.
I'm I was just checking to see which way this will turn on. Okay.
But now I know that you are typing in password MERI for sure. See, I got it. I got you. Guys, again, please remember one thing, especially in a training session, when you are setting up a password, please stop sharing. Reason? Just like what Shazib did, we might actually get hold of the password. Okay, so that's something which you have to ensure. So you can put in your genuine email ID where it will ask you for a verification code.
So username, I will put my genuine email ID. That you mean?
So email ID username will be what the new email ID username which you want to create.
Okay.
It's just a new account. just like a new
Oh,
account, fresh account
oh,
you are
just a
creating.
new account. Okay, okay.
Yes, yes, yes. Fantastic, and congratulations, team. We have already logged into Proton. So Proton is considered one of the best for encrypted emails, which means very, very strong email address. And it also helps us in services like VPN. For one user, it is free of cost. You can download the PDF, it's if required. There's a button called download PDF. Yeah. I understand. Continue. A display name, you can put in another display name. Fantastic. So you can see Proton VPN. Proton VPN, the fourth one. Yes. Guys, you can see there are lot many options, but we'll focus on Proton VPN only because that's what we want. Click on download. Download for Windows. We'll be using the free plan. We don't want to go into. So depending upon your operating system, if it's a 64, download 64. If it is an ARM processor, you can. I think your was
Uh,
64. I think the
I
first one.
have,
First.
let me see. Just go to downloads.
So team, we are just going a bit slower. In the next session, we'll start with our operating system basics. I'm going to get started with Windows basics. So just let you know, and there will be one more. If we get a time, we'll cover it today. Otherwise, we'll cover it on Monday morning, Monday evening. Yes, I guess it's downloaded now.
Yeah.
And please install it as well. Meanwhile, team, if you have any questions for any of the tools which we have covered today, please let me know.
We don't need these, right? Proton Drive, Proton Pass.
Yeah, if you want to install the tool, that's okay. Otherwise, leave it. No, not required. So guys, now you can see that I have three layers added. One is changing the MAC address. Second, Tor. Third, VPN. So do you think now I am anonymous? Guys, what do you think? Can we have yes or no in the chat box? Guys, what do you think that if I use all three, will I become anonymous? Yes or no? Fantastic. Shazib says yes. Others, guys, I can see only Shazi. What about others? Subhi, Sandy, Mohammadi, others, guys, please put in here. Aishwarya, Madhavan, Sudarshan, fantastic, guys. So you now know the trick, right? So next time when you scan that QR code, I should find this, right? You already have a VPN. Use a VPN before connecting to the session so that I don't get your IP address, right?
Hmm.
Lovely. So Archit, it's a good morning for you, right?
Hmm.
Yeah, actually,
Archit,
I'm traveling right now.
ah,
That's yeah,
okay, okay, no problem.
yeah.
You're traveling to like which city currently, or in
Oh,
the local?
yeah, actually, I'm traveling to Thrissur right now, so uh,
Mm, okay,
I I'm in the car right now. That's why.
lovely.
Yeah.
So weekend, it's a weekend trip or like a work trip, how it is?
No, it's a weekend trip.
Ah, see, you're already set, right?
Yeah.
Fantastic.
So it's like I'm in my vacation, so
Uh-huh,
just
very good.
enjoying the vacation in India. We'll be back to
Lovely.
Toronto in couple of weeks.
Okay, so you will be till like January first, second week.
Yeah, third week I'll be coming back.
Okay, nice. Shazib, you can log in meanwhile. Yeah, the same email ID and the password
Did I
which you
put the
had given.
wrong, did I put the right password? That's what I'm trying to think I
So
misspelled it.
you did not show me the password, right? I would have helped you
Okay, hold on.
out.
Let me,
See, I told you that please remember the password because this is something common. People makes mistakes, right?
I
Lovely.
feel like I
See,
had my caps lock on. That's
so
why. Hold on.
congratulations.
I'll
No worries.
figure it out.
Subir, congratulations. So you can just, there will be an option called switch proxy or turn on the VPN. And automatically you will see that your what's my IP will change.
Bruh.
Hey, hi, Laurie Holmes. How are you doing?
Aha. Okay, got it.
Got it finally.
Okay.
Good,
Lovely.
thank you.
So, good, good. So, I hope you are understanding what we have done. So, we are learning about how to be anonymous, how hackers stay anonymous. So, just click on connect now. And team, now you can see that automatically Shazib is now traveling to another country again. And his IP has now changed to 149.88.18.245. Again, as a recheck, what I can do, I just go back to my regular browser and look for what's my IP. And if it shows me 173, which means there is no change. But if it shows something different from the current one, which means congratulations, now you have traveling to US. So Shadib, that's very wrong of you. Like weekend and you are traveling and we are not traveling. Right. So now we are jealous of you. So team, you can see that VPN gives us an access to almost 100 plus countries. So come back to VPN and try changing the server. Yes, change server. You can select any one of them. So that won't be free. So just on the top, click change server on the top button, right side.
Uh,
Change server. So automatically this will change. Now it's there. So just refresh and see whether it's showing 155 or not.
Yeah.
So Sweden and Switzerland is your favorite airplanes. See, you're getting. So guys, again, some cases you have to buy the VPN because VPN will help you to select country of your choice. So just imagine if you have used a VPN and selected India or other country, anyone accesses that, you will find that the person has logged in from that location. So guys, how is it? Interesting? Now you think you can be anonymous?
Yes, definitely.
Definitely. Okay, lovely. So we have three layers already, but in some cases, we say that we want more, right? So I'm going to tell you something very, very interesting, which the last option, which ensures that people uses it and become more anonymous by using a proxy server. Guys, have you heard of proxy server by any chance? Proxy server,
Yes.
right? So in our college days, remember we all used to give a proxy, which means if our friend is not there, we will say that he is present, right? So that was a proxy which we used to do to protect our friends and giving them attendance. So primarily what happens, proxy will ensure that whatever IP address you get is hidden. And probably it's like just like a VPN changes our IP address, we can use proxy as well to change the IP address. Okay. So on the browser, type
Uh,
India proxy IP. Yeah. In that
in Tor or
new
in
tab,
like
new tab, normal browser.
okay. And type in what, sorry?
Type India proxy IP. Enter. And just add free. So it says, so see Indian proxy IP free. Click on that. Indian proxy IP. Yeah. And try logging into any of the website. That's okay, fine. Check in any website, yeah. It
Sure.
should give you a list of, no, it's not giving you the list. Just check out other. It should give you a list of IP addresses. Yes. Okay, let me find one for you.
These are all paid.
So now they have changed
Oh,
it,
okay.
but
This one?
you can use Proxy Nova. Yeah, this will work. I'm also sharing you one more. Just a minute. Guys, I'm sharing you this IP address and this link as well. You can check out this link as well. And Shazib, you can also copy paste the link. Yeah, the previous link which was there.
This one, right?
So team, yes. So team, here if you see on the left side, it shows you some IP address, right? Proxy IP address and port,
Mhm.
right? So ideally, what will happen that if this works, when you type what's my IP address, it will show you your proxy IP address and not the current IP address.
Mm,
Sound interesting, guys? Yes, no.
Yeah,
yep.
Lovely.
absolutely.
You want to know more?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. So guys, please again, before trying this, remember one thing. This might, if you change it, your internet will stop working probably. Okay. So remember to get it back, you need to ensure that you put it to the default settings. In case you are not confident currently, that's okay, but start with the basics, okay? Please don't rush, okay? So try to understand this And in case if your internet is not working, what you have to do, you have to come back and modify the settings to default so that it will work. Okay. So ideally, what I'm going to try the IP addresses and check that whether internet is working on that or not. Okay. So now click on the window icon, go to start run and type
Hmm.
inet cpl.cpl. Guys, I am putting in here in the chat as well for you. inet cpl.cpl. So you have to go to start, run, and then inet cpl.cpl. So it should open up internet properties. Guys, let me know if you are able to open it up or not, just like Shazib has done it. It should open up, or otherwise you can click on Windows icon and type internet space properties. So it will open up this. I'll give you 30 seconds. Lovely. So guys, once done, please put yes in the chat box, and please don't do it before understanding. Okay, so I'm going to show you what is to be done. So in case if your internet doesn't work, you just have to revert back to the previous settings. Okay. So this will take some time because you have to look forward to the IP address which is running. Okay. So Shazib, come to connections, and at the bottom you will find LAN settings. See. Okay. And at the bottom you will find proxy server. Proxy server. Yeah. Check that. And now try to get some IP addresses from the list which is in the backdrop, okay, and the port number.
Okay, should we just do the
Okay.
first one?
Yeah, just hold on. Please understand this. So what you have to do, try proxy IP port number. Okay, okay, okay. And then open up your Microsoft Edge browser and see whether google.com is working or not. In case if it is not working, what you have to do, type the second IP address and so on. You have to find the one where internet is working. Okay, this will take some time. If you are lucky, it might work with the first IP address. So anyone who gets it done, please put it the IP address in the chat here so that other can use it. In case it doesn't work for you, only thing you have to do is uncheck the proxy server.
Okay.
Uncheck the proxy server, click on OK, OK, and you will be back to your normal internet. Okay. So all the best, and let's see what is happening. Okay, so try adding IP addresses and port number of your choice and open Edge browser and see whether internet is working on it or not. And if it is internet is working, that clearly means that if you open what's my IP, it will show you 202.62.75. That's not required. Okay, click on OK.
Is it going to disconnect me from this, from my share screen?
No worries. Click on OK. OK. Open Edge browser. Just check google.com.
So maybe this one's not working.
Just so now you can keep on changing. So it will be slow, okay? So no worries. You can go ahead and change the IP. So guys, this will yeah, give take more trials for you, but no worries. Just look at it because remember, hackers, it's not so easy. Hackers also do this. So what will happen? These are all free IP addresses as per India. You can use any country and any IP. So try getting where it is like proxy speed is higher.
Yeah, let's try the second one.
Yeah, it's up to you, whichever IP you want. So guys, remember that if you uncheck the proxy, google.com will work, okay? But we are testing the IP address, right? So I guess you can check with the next one. Try random ones, okay?
Sure.
So guys, you can see now how hackers put in a lot of effort to get things done, right?
Let's try this one. 103, 48, 68, 18, 83.
So guys, let's see who. So I'll want you to try five at least. If you're lucky, it will work. If not, then I'll give you another option. Two more, okay?
Too many people trying this?
Two people, no, because you are changing your settings, right? That's the reason
Ah,
this is giving you error. Because your traffic is not, they can see that you are changing the traffic.
okay, let's try this. Mm,
Guys, anyone successful, let me know. Otherwise, I'll give you a last trick, okay? Okay. So guys, many times you might find that even after putting in all the efforts, you did not get the right. Okay, so how many of you now feel that after 5, 10 attempts, it starts becoming boring? Can we have yes or no in the chat, please? Let's see, right? Yeah, I think it is coming in probably. See, you got it at the last time, right? I am not a robot. Shazib, congratulations. Seems like it's working. What did you do? Magic.
Hmm. I was
See, you're
persistent.
lucky. Guys, as a hacker, you have to be persistent. But we are the good guys, right? So we have to be more persistent. Lovely.
Bruh.
So you have to be persistent in the identifying this also. There is a crosswalk, yes. Team, I hope now you understand that how much effort it takes to get one thing done, right? So if everything goes well, you will get the IP address. Lovely. Type what's my IP. There
Watch.
only, yeah. What's my IP? Fantastic. So guys, now remember one thing that especially internet here will be a bit slower. Okay, when you are using a proxy, internet will be super slow. Sometimes so now the IP which he has got is great. Click on what is my IP. Lovely. So guys, you can note down this IP address and can try it in your environment as well. And that is the last for today. So if you see the IP address which Shadib had put it into the proxy server, it will show up here. Okay. So Shadib, you can just copy paste the IP address in the chat for team. Team, you can just note down the IP address and you can try out and see whether it's
This.
working for you or not. Yes, just copy paste it. Lovely. Okay. And remember, friends, after this, I guess I think it should pop up here. So what you can do is come back and uncheck that. Go to internet options. Guys, please make sure that you uncheck the internet options. Okay, this will take some time, but come back to internet options, connections, LAN settings, uncheck and okay.
Yeah,
See,
it's correct.
right? It will always show you. To uncheck that and okay. Okay. Guys, you can see that this is showing me Bangalore IP address, right? That means successfully done. So refresh the page and now it will give you back the default IP. I hope this is,
That's the VPN IP.
yes. No, it's not VPN. So 155 is VPN IP, right? So guys, you can see that we have changed our MAC address, we have used VPN, and on top of that, we are using proxy. So if I am using all three layers, don't you think that I become anonymous? Guys, what's your take? Yes, no.
Absolutely.
So last tool which you can use is proxy switcher, which means you don't have to do manually everything. Just type proxy switcher. So whatever we did currently manually, that is automated process. No, that's an add-on.
Hold on. Let's just go to
Yes,
Chrome.
proxyswitcher.com. No, that's proxyswitcher.com. That's not required. That's an add-on. Just use the second one. There's the website only. Download from there. Proxyswitcher.com. Yes. Download. So what it will do, it will automatically identify all the dead ones or the ones which are not working. So, and once you click on it, automatically this will get started. So guys, by the time this tool you can explore during the weekend. But if you have any questions, I will open it up for you. So feel free to ask any question. This was our third session and which was a free session. We'll be starting with Windows basics from the next session. So any questions till now or whatever we have covered today, please let me know. Well, Laurie, Holmes, Ashwarya, guys, what do you think?
Should
Any question?
just start the trial.
Yeah. Sandy, Sudarshan, Subir, Archit, Atin. Atin, if you have any questions, feel free to ask.
Yes, I like to know.
Right.
Yeah, I like to know what is the usage of using a virtual machine that we download and all these things.
Okay. So, a virtual machine, why it is required? So, for example, in our training, we'll be using a lot of tools, right?
Right.
We'll also be using malwares.
Yes.
So, if I use malware on my current computer, chances of my computer getting crashed is higher.
Oh, I see. Okay, okay.
So, what we are doing that at any point of time, we don't go overboard and we can just use our virtual machine so that if anything goes wrong, we are still safe, right? So, that's
Actually,
the whole idea.
yeah, and is that virtual machine is copied the existing configuration of that computer, or what they
Yes,
do actually?
it will use the existing configuration of the current machine, but
Okay,
we'll not give them the complete access. We'll just use a bit of resources. So it's
okay.
about shared resources.
That.
Resources from your computer will be shared.
Oh, so I can say it is a kind of backup kind of things of existing configuration. In case
Yes,
anything problem, they can get back. Okay, okay,
absolutely, absolutely.
okay. Thank you.
So Shazib, you can see there are a lot many IP addresses where you can select any of the IP address, do a right click and switch. So you don't have to manually do that, but don't do it now. But just select any one of those which are running. So on the left side, you will find core. See?
Core.
Yes. Yes. Select and do a right click. It will give you an option to change. So don't change. Automatically, once this is available, switch to this server. See?
Should I click it?
No, not required. You can test later on.
Test this server.
Yeah.
Mm.
So guys, this is all from my end for today. If you have any questions, we have covered how to be anonymous. I hope this is something which you loved it, and this is going to be very, very great stuff for you. And if you guys want to check out Hidden Wiki, I would want that just have a look at it that what all are available under dark web.
Okay, yeah, dark.
Vishal,
So we have, yeah, go ahead.
I have a doubt here. So the server, like the IP address that we are trying right now for the proxy servers, so
Right.
these servers, like what are these? Are they some internet service provider, or what type of
Yes.
IP and servers we are trying to
So
access?
these we are not trying to access, but we are trying to get the identity.
Yeah. So what are these servers?
These are free servers available in the internet.
Okay.
So I'll just show you something. So currently you can see my
Mhm.
name is Vishal Dave, right?
Yeah.
Okay, just some magic. Now what is my name?
I'm
Ashwarya.
not able to see. Yeah,
So it's
I
Aishwarya. So if you
I'm
click
not
on the
able to see.
participant, yeah, if you click on the participant, you will see Aishwarya. See?
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Now I got it. Okay.
So now basically what I did was I masqueraded you, which means I am Vishal, but I am using Aishwarya's IP address. So people will now see that it's not Vishal who has logged in, but it's Aishwarya, right?
Oh, okay.
So that's
Yeah.
the reason proxy. These IPs are freely available by some ISPs. So hacker can attack and misuse it, right? So it's just like if I say something using Aishwarya, right? I won't speak, but I type a message. So people will
Yeah.
think
So it
that
means
why Aishwarya is like putting in these questions because these are some unwanted things. So I can actually, fake that identity.
oh, okay. So it means that you are trying to like use
Impersonate.
my that I was
Impersonate.
using.
Yes,
Okay. So when you
impersonating
do
others.
what's my IP address? My address would come to you. Like when you
Exactly.
search.
Exactly.
Oh,
So
okay.
now, by using your IP address, if I commit a crime, who will get caught?
Mhm. Yeah, it'll be me.
Congratulations, and you have answered it correctly.
Yeah. Got it, yeah.
So, guys, see,
Okay.
we always say that if you want to be a hacker or you want to be the good guy, you have to start thinking like a hacker first. Because if you don't understand the hacker first, you will never be able to understand how to block him, right?
Yeah,
So,
yeah,
if you can find a hacker who is using these technologies, and remember, guys, hackers are very smart, right? They will never give their
Yes.
identity. So, you have to fight with unknowns. So, especially in our daily life, also in your SOC analyst journey, people will attack you from different IP, right? So, ideally, what you will do, maximum you will block it, but they will start attacking you from multiple IP address. So, how do you address that? How it is going to be? So, I'm just giving you a taste of that.
Basically, you're making it difficult for us to share our screen in the future, I guess.
No, it's easy. It's easy. See, these are some basic things, right? Whatever it said, it's all tools and which are available free of cost.
Yeah, yeah.
So just imagine that how hacker. So it's about your privacy also, right? So these are some basic things you should know, normal user, because people will try to impersonate you and try to play
Mm,
scam with you. So if you are aware of this, it will help you to safeguard yourself, protect your digital identity.
yeah.
Great. So, guys, any more questions, or I guess we can call it a day and have a great weekend? Any other questions?
Yeah,
Lovely.
yes,
Yeah, yeah.
Vishal, I like to know, first of all, regarding the identity, if somebody give his or her passport, and that can be fake or that can be real, or what do you think?
Yeah, there can be a lot many cases. Like a classic example, assuming I
Hmm.
have Atinda's passport, right?
Right. Hmm.
And I change the photograph.
Okay.
Then
Oh,
I masquerade Aadhaar card if I'm in India.
okay.
So if
Oh,
you go to airport, they will
mhm.
just check your Aadhaar card, right? They don't check, say, they just view that, right?
Right, right. Okay.
So I can always scapegoat them, right? I can just went past them just by creating a fake Aadhaar and fake passport.
Okay. So that means if even if somebody give any passport or any other secured identity, it cannot be 100% sure this is the same person or the different person or not,
See,
right? Or something.
nobody can give you 100% assurance in any case.
Yes. Okay.
A classic case, if I wear a mask of your face and go to
Hmm.
airport, people will feel that it is Atin Das and not me.
Right, right. Yeah.
Right? So we have seen common instances where people wear mask and commit crimes to impersonate someone.
Mhm. No, I have noticed already a few cases that a person given the same face but the different name or something. I have
Yes, it's a
noticed
common. It's a
already.
common. It's a common.
Okay.
See, you
Hmm.
have to understand that how things are working, right? So if you go to airport, they check
Hmm.
your documents, right? They don't type
Right.
anything on a computer.
Hmm.
So if you have a ticket, right? You can have a ticket, fake ticket.
Hmm.
You can have a fake ID proof, and you can enter into the airport. The only real challenge will come in where you have to board, right? Because if you don't have the right one. But for example,
Yeah,
if now,
in the time of boarding, I they will check this is the original passport or this is the copy or
right,
something. They say.
right. Till then, I can always log into airport, right? So once I'm into
Yes.
airport, what I can do is I can get Atin Das's exact detail and can try to put that. So there is already an Atin Das with the same name. So I have changed the photograph. That's it.
Photograph. Okay.
Yeah.
Photo. Yeah. Okay.
So see,
Okay.
everything is possible nowadays,
Right, right.
depending
Yes,
upon
yes.
the checks, but very difficult to bypass all the layers.
Yes, and I have some experience. Somebody called me and they are saying that, did you call me by this number? Somebody, some hackers or some fraudster, they use my number to call somebody.
So nowadays,
That
in the
also,
generation of AI also, I will
yeah.
record your voice and can impersonate your voice as well. So cloning, voice clone is there. So I can
Voice,
clone
voice.
Ashwinya's voice. Yes.
But AI also do voice IDs, like important IDs, even passport, everything. AI can do that.
Yes. Everything is possible,
Oh,
sir.
oh my God.
So we have to safeguard ourselves.
Yeah.
Great. Chalo guys, have a great
Okay.
weekend. See you on Monday. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll
Yes,
be,
absolutely.
yes, so I'll be sharing some information on the WhatsApp group as well. So I'll share the links for the website which we had access. And in case if you have anything, feel free to know. On the Monday, I'll keep around 15-20 minutes for those who were not able to understand or set up the labs. Okay. We are starting with Windows basics, operating system basics on Monday. Okay. So all set for that and have a great weekend. Bye bye.
Okay, bye. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Vishal. Bye.
Thank you, Ishan.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Bye.
Good day. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Bye,
Bye-bye.
Sandy. Thank you. Bye, Laurie. Bye. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.